is November the 7th, and I let Holly in this morning to kind of spend some time with her puppies. She's very interested in playing with them. And we're still working on weaning, but a couple of them have been extra fussy lately, and this seems to help them. Plus, Mom is enjoying spending time with her pups as well. So she wants to play with Cherry and Pumpkin. Gentle Holly. Yeah, they want to play, huh? When there's Blue right there. You've got Kiwi over here and Violet. They're ready for naps already. Yeah. Hi, Holly, Mama. It's your puppies, huh? Yeah, you want to play. Yeah, so doing your mommy duties, taking care of the babies. Well, they're very happy to spend some time with Mommy right now. Until next time.